Hey everybody, it's Allison here again with New Little Life. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Spectra 9. This is a tiny little pump from Spectra. I love Spectra and I have several other videos about other pumps they have on my channel. I'm really excited to check out this tiny one. I'll be doing some review videos and comparisons with it a little bit later, so don't forget to subscribe and check it out. Let's open this up. Okay, while I'm getting this open, I wanted to tell you about a private Facebook group that I have. If you're trying to choose a pump and you want some personalized help, you can go over to my Facebook group. The link is in the description. I'm over there, lots of other moms are over there, and we can help you pick the right breast pump for you. Okay, so this Spectra pump. First off, we've got the actual pump. Very small. So if you turn this on, it's going to start you off where you left off, I believe, on the suction level. Let's try it. Let's bump it up and then turn it off. And then turn it back on. Yep. So it's going to start on wherever you left off on the vacuum level before. It has two modes. It has expression mode and massage mode. So the massage mode is a little bit quicker. It's where you start, and it mimics the baby sucking quicker at the beginning, trying to get the milk to let down. Once it lets down, you can pop it over into expression mode, is what this calls it, and then go on from there. It's a little bit slower, draws out more milk. So you can start in massage mode, and then as soon as you have a letdown, you can switch that over to expression. It's timing the pump up here, and then it also shows you the battery life. Looks like it's got vacuum levels from 1 to 10. Seems like the higher the vacuum level, the shorter the cycles per minute. That's just from what I'm hearing, just barely touching this pump, but that seems to be the case. So far, everything looks great to me. You can do single or double pumping there, and it's also got the charging port right here. It's actually a very light pump, lighter than I expected, so that's cool as well. This is dual voltage, in case you were wondering. So far, all the Spectra pumps I've played with are, so that's awesome. Okay, so far so good on this little Spectra 9. What else do we have? Oh, a charger. That's awesome. Cool. You can also take off that little plug if it's easier for you. This charger is also dual voltage. Okay, and then you've got... Looks like there's two of these packages that are identical. So you've got your classic Spectra bottle. This says it'll hold 160 milliliters. Comes with the standard nipple, as well as just a cap if you want to just store it with the cap only. You can take the nipple out and put the cap on to store it like this if you prefer. You can also put that cap barrier in between if you want. It's got a little lid. Comes with your just standard run-of-the-mill Spectra phalange. This is a 24 millimeter, which is a very average size. It also has the standard Spectra duckbills. These are very standard interchangeable phalanges. You can get them like everywhere. Comes with a backflow protector. This is a standard Spectra backflow protector. It does come apart into 3 pieces, which is kind of annoying, but it makes it easy for cleaning. That white piece goes around the smaller end. You just got to make sure you get it all the way around. And then that bigger piece clamps on top of it. These only go on the phalanges one way, so you really can't screw that up. Also, your tubing. Both of the ends of this tubing are exactly the same as well. So again, you can't screw it up. You can also cut this tubing if it's too long once you get used to using it. If you're using it in a particular way and you find that this tubing is too long, you're welcome to cut that because it's just a flat tube, nothing special. Okay, that's really it. It comes with the exact same thing in another bag, so you'll end up with 2 phalanges, 2 bottles, 2 nipples, 2 tubings, 2 backflow protectors, and valves. Doesn't come with any extra parts like valves or anything like that. One thing I did notice about this pump is that there's no clips or space to hook a lanyard or anything like that. So just keep that in mind. You're gonna have to either throw that in your purse, or you can set it on the table next to you. It's rechargeable, so you can take it anywhere, so that's awesome. I don't know why anyone is making pumps these days that are not rechargeable, so good on you for that one. It does come with an instruction manual, which you should read thoroughly. Before the first time use, it does want you to put a lot of these parts in boiling water for 10 minutes. That's really standard for sterilizing and just kind of getting them ready to go. After that, you just clean thoroughly and air dry. You do not want any condensation in the tubing though. This is a closed system, meaning that the pump cannot handle any moisture in it, which is why you have this backflow protector. That's a barrier between your milk and the tubing that goes to the pump. So you should be getting no moisture in your tubing. You also should not be washing your tubing because any kind of moisture that gets in there is going to ruin your pump.
So don't wash your tubing.
Really standard setup there. I've got the valve closed here since I've only got one side hooked up to it. But if you want to do double pumping, you just put the other one on there. Single pumping, you close that. If you've ever used another breast pump, you'll have no problem figuring this out. Very, very standard. If you haven't, you can go and watch a more in-depth tutorial on how to set up a Spectra breast pump. I'll put a video up top for you. But that was kind of your quick rundown of everything that comes with the Spectra 9, S9, sometimes they call it. Very basic setup, and you're ready to go. I'm going to be trying this pump out, especially in comparison to some other pumps, the suction strength, how I like it, overall feel, and user experience. So don't forget to subscribe and check back for more reviews on this pump, as well as comparing it to some other pumps. Hopefully you'll check out a few more videos on the channel. Tons of breast pump information for you, and we'll see you on the next video.